Well, we are just now getting to the cabin, and we came across a photo that I've wanted for a really long time, and that was an eagle eating his food, her food, and there were crows as well, right at the end of like the main street. And we turned around, and she's like, "Do you have your cameras?" Because I just never bring them anymore. And I'm like, "I do." I didn't bring any of my SD cards to take any photos. So I had a meltdown like a child. I cried. I didn't want anyone touching me. I moved myself to the closest corner in the car and had a meltdown. So because of that, the story is there will be no vlogging today. All I have is my cell phone because I have no SD cards, memory cards, to record what we're going to do tonight. It is like 4:00 p.m. So, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Tuesday, and this is all you guys get because I refuse to use my cell phone to vlog. I probably should make a poll and see if you guys mind me using a cell phone because you guys want to see something at least. So maybe I'll make a post of that right now, and if you guys say cool, then you'll see me again. If not, I'll see you guys in the morning. Babe. I got it!
Nice, babe.
Hey. There's a lot of stuff under here.
Where are we going with it?
Probably at least in there. I don't know where we're gonna put it here too in the floor.
Huh?
I don't know. You want me to start taking it apart? Take it apart.
I guess let's shoot this way. We can at least set it there for now.
Put it here?
Yeah, I guess.
We don't have to move.
Oh, I didn't want to get on the bed.
Good morning, guys. It is actually, I believe, 2 days later. Yesterday we got up, we were ready to head down here. We ended up going to Menards, and we were there for all day. Then we went to Lowe's, and we were there all day. And then we ate, and we were there all day. And fast forward, we're here now. Alicia is officially finishing up the flooring. I guess there were some parts that needed to be fixed, so she's doing that now, and I still have to finish this. I got stuck at this part because there's some pieces that need to actually be cut, and for some reason, none of our tools are able to do the job. So now I'm going to start tearing apart things and hope I don't break the piping that is already there that we can use for future usage. Once this is done, hopefully this will be done by the time Alicia's done, and then today, we are going to start on burning the floor. Totally ecstatic. We've been waiting for this forever. Once we burn, we will decide if we're going to stain. We watched a video where someone didn't stain and the flooring came out pretty amazing. And if it can save us a few dollars, why not? We'll see. So, we're going to burn, maybe stain, and then polyurethane. Unfortunately, polyurethane takes 7 days to like officially be able to use on a regular basis. So we can like step on it very lightly, but we can't use the flooring. So we can't live here for at least another 7 days. because of the polyurethane. So, anyway, let's get down to it because we still got a lot to do. And yes, this is our mattress. It's up high and it's in every shot now. Alright, it's about that time. We are about to start the wood burning of the floors. I think Alicia's going to start first and I'm going to finish the bedroom.
It's hot. It's roasting. I feel like we started a campfire in here.
This is more than a campfire. It feels like the house is about to burn down. Yes. 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 It's finally disconnected. Not gonna lie, for being a rundown murder camp, they really built this well and they hand built this. Kudos to them. With all what they did, I do not want to build one. And I think we're gonna buy one. Like we're gonna get it custom and all, but yeah. What do you guys think?
Thinking Lincoln? I'm not a very excited demolisher today. My lower back is in a lot of pain. My lovely herniated discs are not being happy with me today. Much easier cleanup when it comes out a piece at a time.
Oh, okay. Oh, my yellow. See it? Babe?
Yep.
I knew it was gonna tear it apart. No?
You weirdo. Rude. That's how she really feels about me.
Can't hide it. Which is in a shower.
Uh-huh. Cord heat. Cord cable. You're being weird, huh?
And you cut me off, so I was just going at it. That's great.
All right, I'm tired. Let's go home.